Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we'll discuss about a where clause in SQL, right? We'll discuss where clause in SQL. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you have to click on this new query, right? So in the previous class, we had created the customer table, right? So we will access that customer table first. So how can you access it? By using select star from customer table, right? Select star from customer table. So you just have to copy like this and execute, right? Then you will get the customer name, customer ID, and the country. So in this table, how can you use the where clause, right? So how can you use it? By writing select star from customer table where country where country is equal to Mexico, right? Where country is equal to Mexico. So I am asking that wherever you find Mexico, I want the customer name and customer ID, right? Right. So what is the Rajesh and Ramesh will be the answer, right? And the customer ID is 100 and 100. So I'll just copy and execute it. See, we got only the person details whose country is Mexico, right? Whose country is Mexico. So in this way, we can use the where clause, right? In this way, we can use the where clause. For example, if you want to find with the name, then you can write the name. For example, if I write customer name equal to Rohit, then you will find only Rohit data in the table. See, we only get the Rohit table, right? So in this way, we can use the where clause. So you can use on the customer name, customer ID, and the country column also, right? For example, if I'm using equal to, right, I can use greater than symbol, right? Instead of name, I'll write ID, which is greater than 99, which is greater than 99. So as we saw the table, all the customer IDs are 100, right? So then we will get all the table, like all the data in the table. Just execute it. See why I got all the data in the table, because I'm asking where the customer ID is greater than 99. So the customer ID is 100, right? So all the customer names having the customer ID is 100. So which is greater than 99. So that's why all the data is coming on the table, right? So in this way, we can use the where clause, right? You can use on the customer name, customer ID, and the country, right? So I hope you understand where to use where clause, right? And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.